what? Get a bag, son. They're always under the sink.
I'll just go ahead and use the handle.
Putting tomatoes in the fridge, and they call us animals.
Oh, I get it. You wanted to get caught. You wanted to get taken to the pet shop. You wanted to get adopted so you could take their food. Oh.
This is the McGregor's garden of the city. It's how we survive out here.
Really? Are they all like this?
Nah, it's usually just takeout containers and a bottle of champagne they're saving for a special occasion. That will never come.
Oh, that's so sad.
Yeah, it's really sad. Anyway, let's steal some more stuff, yeah?
Wait, we're stealing from kids?
Only the stuff they'll never eat,
Well, why do parents put it in there?
so teachers won't judge them. Mighty nice haul, son.
How do we get it out of here?
Job's worth nothing without a good pickup crew. Meet the crew. Samuel Whiskers, oldest thief in the city. They ain't even his whiskers. He stole them. Tom Kitten. He don't say much, but when he does, you're glad he don't say much.
Can we come in now? I'm freezing my catnip off.
And his sister, Mittens, the brains, always keeps us on track.
Enough with the introductions. Let's get on with it.
Storage room.
Second door to the right,
Coat room?
third door to the left.
Bathroom.
I told you to go before you came. End of the hall.
Thank you. So, how do we get this stuff out of here? Is this really gonna work?
A well-dressed man can get away with anything in this world.
And if he's got a baby with him, he can go anywhere.
3 weeks ago, we rang the opening bell at the stock exchange.
Why did you want to do that?
Because we could.
Okay.
Ugh, Howard, where have you been? I need you to help me get rid of those filthy rabbits before the children come home. You gotten even shorter. You little beasts!
Wait, what about all the food? We're just gonna leave it?
Better to live to see another day, kid.
I'm going to exterminate you, little demons.
See you.
Bye now. Later.
No, wait. I know how to deal with cranky humans who hate our guts. You lead her to the kitchen, I'll take care of her. You meet me back at the front door.
You can't hide from me, you disgusting bags of disease. I'm gonna get you!
Need that altered, madam?